अस्सलामुअलैकुम एंड वेलकम वंस अगेन। आज की वीडियो में आपके साथ 50 प्लस ऐसे MCQ शेयर करने वाला हूं जिससे आप अपने आप को किसी भी टेस्ट लाइक ISSB, पाक आर्मी, पाक नेवी, पाक एयर फोर्स, NTS, CSS, PMS, FPSC जिस किस्म का भी टेस्ट हो आप अपने आप को तैयार कर सकते हैं। ये है जनरल नॉलेज सीरीज़ का पार्ट 2 विच इज़ ऑल अबाउट पंजाब प्रोविंस। सो आपने वीडियो को एंड तक देखना है ताकि कोई भी चीज़ आप मिस ना कर सकें। वीडियो स्टार्ट करने से पहले अगर आपने हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं हो तो उसे काइंडली सब्सक्राइब करें, वीडियो को भी लाइक करें और दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें। सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो। पहला MCQ है, द एरिया ऑफ पंजाब इज़ 205,344 स्क्वायर किलोमीटर। पंजाब इज सिचुएटेड ऑन डैश ऑफ साइड ऑफ पाकिस्तान, ईस्टर्न साइड ऑफ पाकिस्तान। ओके, ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट। पंजाब इज बॉर्डर्ड बाय द इंडियन हेल्ड कश्मीर टू द ईस्ट, ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट। पंजाब इज बॉर्डर्ड बाय द इंडियन स्टेट्स ऑफ पंजाब एंड राजस्थान टू द ईस्ट, ऑप्शन नंबर ए इज करेक्ट। विच एरिया इज लोकेटेड इन द साउथ ऑफ पंजाब, ऑप्शन नंबर बी इज करेक्ट, Sindh. The districts of Bahawalpur division are Bahawalpur, Rahim Yar Khan and Okada. How many divisions are in the Punjab? इसका आंसर है 9. The districts of Sheikhupura, Nankana Sahib and Kasur are in the Lahore division. The capital city police system has been introduced in the Lahore. In Gujranwala division, the districts are Gujranwala, Sialkot, Gujarat, Narowal, Hafizabad and Mandi Bahauddin. In Faisalabad division, the districts are Faisalabad, Jhang and Tobatek, Sindh, Chiniot, C, A and B, D none of them. तो इसका आंसर है ऑप्शन नंबर C, both A and B. The districts of Sargodha division are Sargodha, Mianwali, Khushab and Bakhar. Option number B is correct. Districts of Multan division are Multan, Vihari, Haniwal and Rudran. The districts of Dijihan, Muzaffarabad, Layya and Rajanpur are in the division of Dera Ghazi Khan. Who was the first Chief Minister of Punjab? Nawab Iftihar Hussain Khan Mahmud. The meaning of Punjab is land of 5 rivers. Option number C is correct. 5 rivers of Punjab are Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Bias and Sutlej. Murree is a hill resort at 2210 meter above sea level and located in the northeast of Islamabad. Punjab province is called Heart of Pakistan. Lahore is cultural capital of Pakistan. Which of the following districts is famous for monsoon rains? Sialkot. The desert between the Indus and Jhelum river is named as Thal. Which of the following districts is famous for oranges? Sargodha. Which of the following area is the symbol of Indus civilization? Harappa. Taxila was the center of culture and learning for thousands of years from 500 BC to AD 500 of Buddhism. The area between Ravi and Chenab river is called Rashna Doab. The shrine of Khwaja Ghulam Farid is located in Mithankot. Khwaja Ghulam Farid was a popular poet of Seraiki language. Okay. In southern Punjab, the only hill station is Fort Munro. Fort Munro is located in district Dijihan. The waters from Jhelum, Chenab, Ravi, Sutlej and Bias all come together at the point of Panjnad. Panjnad means 5 waters. Which Sharif is located near Panjnad? Pak Padhan is famous for tomb of Baba Farid. Which desert of Punjab is a continuation of the 3rd desert in the Sindh and Rajasthan desert in India? Cholistan. Fort Abbas is a famous site of Cholistan. Dirawar Fort is located in Cholistan. The height of walls of Dirawar Fort is 40 meters. Identify the city of Thal desert. Layya. Noor Mahal is located in Bahawalpur. Bahawalpur Victoria Hospital is in Bahawalpur. The Lal Suhanra National Park is located near Ahmedpur East. The city famous for heat, beggars, dust and burial grounds is option number C is correct, Multan. Which city is famous for its 13th and 14th century brick shrines? Option number A is correct, Multan. The tomb of Shah Rukn-e-Alam is in Multan. The head of Suharwardiya Sufi Silsila is Bahauddin Zakaria. The tomb of Bahauddin Zakaria is situated in Multan. The tomb of Shah Shams Tabriz is in Multan. तो ये थी आज की वीडियो पंजाब के हवाले से। उम्मीद है आप लोग को वीडियो पसंद आई होगी। वीडियो को लाइक करें, दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें और चैनल को भी सब्सक्राइब करें फॉर मोर अपडेट्स। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में, तब तक के लिए अल्लाह हाफ़िज़।